Made a long adventure today. The boys and I are gonna go do a little bit of fishing in the new canoe that we just redid and try to catch us some fish. Right, boys?
Yes.
They're a little worried about the canoe, but we should have a good fishing trip, catch some fish. Maybe if we do, we will cook them up for you, and hopefully the boys will have some fried fish this evening.
Yay! Yay!
And we're off.
Cool. This is my first time in a water with a canoe.
It is, yeah.
I'm not scared at all now.
Good. And we'll go around this tree, and then we're gonna go on the other side of the tree, and then we'll start fishing, okay? Because that's near where the bushes were, right?
Yeah, yeah. I see a little island over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could cook over there, but
Yeah.
we would have to bring all the stuff from the top into here. The cooking comes in this box.
Yep. Yeah, we'll go cook up on the shore in a little while.
Okay. What's on your big boat? To tell you where the fish are?
Fish finder?
Yeah, fish finder.
Yeah, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? But
Yeah.
hard to have a fish finder in a canoe.
Yeah. Where would the motor go?
Yeah,
Like in one of these things?
Well, you don't have to have a motor to have a fish finder, bud.
Oh, like the battery in it for that.
Oh, yeah, you'd have to just put it somewhere right here.
Where's that?
Oh, good one, Leo.
Where's that?
Good afternoon, everyone. As you saw in the first part of this video, we went canoeing and tried to catch some fish. Unfortunately, we did not catch any fish.
No.
We tried, but we didn't really see that many fish. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a second part today, and we're just going to do a cook for you in our survival shelter.
Yeah.
And we're going to use some fish that we previously caught. So we're going to cook those up for you, make some bread for dessert with some honey and butter, and show you how we do it.
Okay. More came off. What?
Good.
Oh, really nice. There you go.
Got the first batch done, and I cannot wait to eat it. It actually looks really, really good. Today we brought our companion, Mr. Moose, along with us. Moose, look at us. Moose, Moose. And Moose has been playing in the creek, so he is all dirty. Aren't you, Moosey?
Hot. Hot. Not hot.
Some of it's probably hot.
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I knew you'd like some
Why
fish.
did I do this?
I don't know why you did that.
Good.
Good?
Tastes like regular fish.
I know, I told you it would.
And Moose is right. I'm gonna stay out here.
We got batch number 2 done, and it looks better than batch number 1. Perfectly brown. Finney has already eaten almost all of his, and Leon has almost eaten all of his, and only got 3 pieces left. The first 3 are already gone, so hopefully they'll save at least 1 piece for their dad.
Nope.
We're gonna take a little bit of bread that I did. All this is all-purpose flour, a little bit of yeast, and a little bit of sugar, and we're gonna try to make a little bread for the boys. See how that goes. I got a little bit of honey and a little bit of butter. I put it in this little container here, and we're going to set it right by the fire and let it melt the butter and honey, and we're going to use that on our bread.
So why do you put some honey on?
Got it all melted up good. The butter and the honey are melted up in there good, and I'm going to try to pour it on there. Man, this stuff smells so good, the honey and butter. And this is a cutting board that I made out of a piece of cedar, but it does have food safe epoxy on it, so it is definitely safe for us to eat off of. Your fingers are gonna get stuff dirty. That's okay. There you go, right there. And there's some honey right there.
A little hot.
It's probably gonna be a little warm. Did Dad do good with his first time ever making bread on a campfire?
Yes.
What do you think?
Good.
Really good?
Yeah.
Well, I gained a friend today. Old Moosey here came out here with us, and man, he likes all the free food he's getting. Thank y'all for joining us on this adventure. It didn't go exactly as planned when we went in the canoe, so we kind of had to have plan B for today. The boys love to fish, they love the bread, so thank y'all for joining us. We appreciate y'all. Say bye.
And we love the fishies. Bye.